Meaning of gilt.
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 Gilt. The word gilt has multiple meanings, depending on the context. It can be an adjective, noun, or verb. As an adjective, gilt refers to something that is covered with a thin layer of gold or something that has a golden color. For instance, a gilt frame would be a frame that has an outer layer of gold leaf. As a noun, gilt is a term used to refer to a female pig that has not yet given birth. As a verb, gilt means to cover something with a thin layer of gold. In summary, gilt can either refer to a golden color or a thin layer of gold applied to an object, or a female pig that has not yet given birth.